Very sus.
Is this like, how may we help?
We come to collect our youth levy. You know the due date has passed, so we need the money now.
Youth levy?
Yes.
Go on.
Here.
Osi, come. We are here to collect the youth levy. Huh? We are here to collect the youth levy. And your youth levy is 6,500 naira. And we noticed that you have not been coming to meeting. We are not seeing your presence for anything. So we have checked, and the total money you are owing us now is 18,900. And we are going to pay it now.
I don't understand. 18 what?
Sorry, are you here to harass my wife and I? Okay. What did you come for?
Okay. Better give us our money now. Or else, if you enter here, anything we see for that place, we will collect and come here.
Probably get out of this place. Are you stupid? You can't even speak proper English. Anything we see for here, we go. Are you get out of this place?
Give us the money. Give us the money.
Calm down and give us the money. Or anything you see, you take it.
Listen, I'll warn you for the last time. If I go in and come out and still meet you here, you'll be in trouble.
Are you just challenging us?
Are you stupid? Are you still there? Are you still there?
Listen, why fight the village youths? Why were you fighting them? They are simply doing their job. You see, that money is compulsory. It must be paid. So whether you fight them or not, you must pay it. Even if you fight them or not, you must pay it.
Iche, is that what they told you? That I fought them? They are too small. I can't fight them. I only chased them away. Those boys were very disrespectful. They were harassing my wife. I chased them away. Besides, I don't have 18,900 to give to anyone. We barely eat in this house. We don't have food.
Then wake up. Yes, wake up from slumber. OC, you are now in the village. Wake up and begin to hustle more than you have never hustled before. Do what you must do. Remember, you are a professional painter. You can go ahead and hustle for painting work.
I am a professional painter. But I don't know anyone to give me a painting job in this village. I don't know anyone.
Then consider farm work. Yes, young men like you make it in this village through farm work. By waiting for others. By working for people. And they pay you. Do you know that? They pay as much as 45,000 naira per plot.
45,000?
45,000.
Are you serious?
And if you are strong enough, you can do it in 2 days.
Wow.
Osita, please, don't tell me that you're trying to consider this. No, I don't understand now. Consider farm work as what? Why? Why must he do a farm job?
Hold on now. Okay, you don't understand. He just asked me to look for a means to survive. And he suggested clearing people's farm that I can make as much as 45,000 naira. That's a lot of money. You can even help me. We can go together. We can do the job together.
Osita, please! Please! Do not get me involved.
How?
What is it now? What are you saying now?
He said I should go.
Imagine me. Farming, rather rigging someone's farm. Or even Osinachi. Osinachi, can you even differentiate between a cutlass, a hoe, a shovel, a packer?
What are you talking about? Am I not a painter?
What you mean?
Am I not a professional painter? What's the difference?
You're a painter and not a farmer.
It's the same hard work.
What hard work are you talking about?
I'm saying that you should come with me. Let us do the job together.
Fine! Do not get me involved.
How?
Okay? Do whatever you have to do to get me out of this village, but don't get me involved.
Okay, now you want me to get you out of the... How do I get the money from?
Osinachi.
He just suggested that we go clear a farm. Osinachi. And I'm asking you to come with me. So why are you...
Osinachi, if you don't work so hard to get me out of this village, I swear on God, I am going to run away.
You're going to run away?
I'm going to disappear. I will leave you and I will run.
You will run to where?
Don't even try me.
I'm asking so you can't help your husband in the farm. Is that what you're saying?
Really?
You can't help your husband in the farm.
Consider farming? Oh, you want me to farm?
He asked me to work harder because you're pregnant, for crying out loud.
Why?
Good. So where do I get the money from?
Don't even consider farming.
That's
the thing. Do not consider farming.
But there's nobody to give me a painting job. There's no one to give me a painting job.
Bend down now. This is not how to read. What happens to all these places? See, grass is everywhere. This is not how to walk. As a proper Igbo man, you have to bend down. Bend down. They say, bend down your waist and walk. Rig like a man. Rig.
Oh, my back.
Shebi, you want 45,000 naira. You will eat 45,000 naira.
Oh, my back.
Your back? Oh, what do you want me to do? Huh? You want me to massage you? Huh? You want me to walk? Oh, no food for a lazy man.
Rita, why are you so heartless? Rita, why are you so heartless? I'm asking you. Are you not my wife? Are you not supposed to help out? What are you doing sitting down there? So why did you come to the farm with me? Are you not supposed to help me?
You want me to help out? No, you want me to share hard labor with you?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Osinachi, you're a wicked man.
How?
Osinachi, you are very heartless. See the mean? Osinachi, you want me to read with you? Can you don't hear yourself? No, it's fine. No problem. Eh? You want me to do the job with you? Okay, no problem. Oh yeah. Give me the cutlass. No problem. Hey! Osinachi!
What?
You gave me cutlass! People come and see her! Osinachi want me to do hard labor!
Are you not my wife?
My baby!
Are you?
Osinachi, you want me to...
I just say you will not...
Osinachi, you want me to do that?
on here, Osi?
Good evening, sir.
Hold everything. Is this how you will finish the farm in 2 days?
Sir, just give me a few hours and I'll be done with the job, sir. It's almost done, sir.
They said you are lazy. I didn't believe them. I have come to see, so it is true.
Lazy how, sir?
In fact, I think you have to stop work.
Sir, stop. I told you to give me a few hours and I'll do the job.
Stop. I say you have to stop.
I said give me a few hours and I'll be done with the job, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you listen to gossip? Is that why you gave me the job?
Osi, I don't listen to what people say. Stop working. I will give you your daily pay when you are done. Don't say I didn't tell you.
But sir, I said give me 2 hours and it will, my wife just wanted to help me. Just give me 2 hours and it will be done, sir.
I don't want to help him more. If you think he's a lazy man he is.
Give me the knife. Give me
You
the
want to
cutlass.
walk?
Give me the cutlass.
You
can sit
want
down.
5,000?
Give me the cutlass. You can sit down. Tomorrow you tell me to.
Why are you taking it
No,
from me?
tomorrow you tell me to look for money
Allow
and
me
take you
to
out of
walk
town.
and lose this pregnancy.
You want me to lose my pregnancy? You're blackmailing me emotionally.
You're a lazy man.
That's what you're doing. You're blackmailing me emotionally.
You're here exchanging words with me.
You're blackmailing me emotionally. Give me my cutlass.
Walk. Take and walk.
Give me my cutlass.
Take your cutlass. Walk.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. Now tell me, what are you going to do with this 5,000 naira you are paid now?
Oh, Iche.
Wait. Hey,
Iche, what do you want me to do?
you need to improve.
I'm not used to farm work. I'm a professional painter.
Because you have been in the city for years and now you have failed. Tell me what we are used to.
Just like once I go back to the city, everything will be fine. I'll start making more money.
You were in the city all these years. What did you do?
Ask my wife, she knows.
Please. Don't even drag me into this. Okay? I am having a very deadly mood swing, so do not get me involved in this.
Iche, all I need you to do, kindly look for people I can work for. I want to paint for people. That is what I know how to do.
No problem. I will do that. I will get a contact or two. Huh?
What is it? What happened? What is it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I think we're losing our baby.
Losing the baby, how?
I don't know.
What happened?
I was cooking and then I felt this sharp pain. And then the blood started coming out. Then I think we're losing our baby. We're losing our baby. Ah!
Wait. Okay, just stay here. We need to go to the hospital now. Okay?
But we don't have any money.
Eh?
We don't have any
Oh, I'll get the little money I have now. Just wait. Come.
Okay.
Come, stay here. Stay here. Just wait. Wait for me. Sorry.
Babe, you know we are in this together and you are my best friend. So I want you to tell me the truth. Are you the one that removed the pregnancy?
If I did, why should I hide it from you? You're my friend. I don't have any reason to hide it from you or to hide it from him. Moreover, I'm dead to him right now. Right? I don't have any reason to. I didn't.
That was so bad.
I didn't.
That was so bad.
My dear, that was when I heard directly from God to run. He said, my daughter, pack your things and run from this man. Run for your life. And then I ran. 1 month later, I went with my mom to bury his elder brother, and that was where I met the man of my dream, Akko. God just sent Akko directly to me. Like, hey, it was so miraculous. You could see that God is really at work. I mean, God is at work. What God cannot do
does not exist. My sister, hold that guy very tight.
Eh?
That Akonwata is meant for you.
Hey,
hold him very tight, oh.
Akonwata is mine. I go nowhere. We die there together. He's mine. Meanwhile, I came with this cheap phone Akko got for me. Stone it on his face. Stone it as you're giving it to him. Stone his eyes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Please give it back to him.
Well, as long as this pays me well, I don't care. After all, Osi is not even my brother. Very soon he will leave this country.
I say. So
Babu.
I need to call my mom to know how things are going.
Oh, don't do that, oh. I will be the one to call your mother. You know your mother now. She's very old. She might mistakenly call your name. So don't worry. I will be the one to call her. Please, okay? Okay. Say that she stone Osi this phone back.
Does stone it on his eyes.
At the moment, I'm fine, my daughter, as you can see. How are you? Yes, so they've gone. Don't mind the man. So no, you need to see the film I acted for them. Trust your mother. I really showed them that is, hey, real madness. In fact, they have to run away. Both of them. You know, I even accuse him of using, making money ritual. You don't know what I can do. Of course, so that he will go and bury his head in shame. Yes. Hey! Mom, you need to act fast too. Just do whatever you can do so that this man will come and marry you and take you abroad. Oh? Don't mind that useless, poor, wretched. I don't even know how to put it. Don't mind him. Everything is going to work out fine. Watch and see. Your mother is at work now. Of him, I didn't need well. Okay. Wait, don't call to. Remember to tell him to send money. You know I need money now. Hey! Odogun wam. Dalo, oh? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. I want to go to the market. Thank you, my daughter. Oh. Hey! Okay, Adabacha. This time around, everything is going to work out. Agnes is at work. God, I thank you. Thank you very much. You have done it for me. Hey!
Enough. Osi, be a man. Eh? You have cried enough concerning what she told you out of pain.
Iche, you don't understand. You don't understand. That woman has never liked me for one day. Iche, you know how much I loved my wife. Imagine accusing me of killing my own wife and using her for money ritual.
Don't mind that woman, please. Disregard all she told you. Eh? You and I knows too well that she was talking out of pains. Leave her! The most important thing now for us to do is to go ahead and return that corpse from that mortuary in the city back to where it will be close to us. That's the most important thing. I don't even know why Janet and others decided to take the...
Janet said she took her to the mortuary from the hospital.
It is not done. Yes, not done. Because before you take any corpse to the mortuary, you will first of all contact the family. Yes.
But Janet is like family to me. Besides, if they leave the corpse there, they will charge more money.
Listen, Osi. Let's look for money to bring her home and bury. Then plan for the proper burial later. Huh?
Where do I get money from?
Why are you crying like this? Your mother is not dead yet now. Your mother is not dead yet. Why are you crying like as if she's dead? Did she die?
You should have come with me and see my mother. My mother is dying. She's almost dead. And I don't have money to treat her. I don't have money to take her to the hospital. The money he gave to me is not enough. I need money to treat my mother.
That one is what you stop. Which one? The money I gave you? The money Akomata gave me. And now I'm giving it out. I got to redeem something. Now you are telling me that it's not enough. Where will I get that? There's not another Akomata any other place. So you don't need this Akomata. And he will not agree to give us another one. So you have to calm down. Oh. Calm down. Your mother is not dead and she's not going to die. Because
Babe.
Stop crying.
Babe, you are my mother's only in-law. You should go out there and look for money, borrow, ask, just do anything to save my mother. I don't want my mother to die, please. Just give me money to save my mother.
So because I'm your mother's first in-law, I should go and borrow thief now. The place I'm supposed to go and borrow, I've gone there to borrow. Now you have taken it to her place, to the hospital. It's not enough. Where will I borrow again?
I need money to save my mother, please.
Yes, go there. Let's go inside. Go there.
Go and borrow money. Look for
who?
money, please. Anybody.
Anybody I see, I should borrow money from. You are not a human being. Or borrow me now. Now let me borrow from you. You can't rush your mother to the hospital. Rush your husband to the hospital. Very bad for you. But you can't go. See, let's go inside first. Let me. Get up.
I need money to save my mother. I'm not going anywhere.
Me too, I need money. Because my own mother will start having care leg too. What is all these things? Every time your mother may go your mother bed. Get up first.
Are you going to give me the money?
When I get it now. I come and see what.
Give me the money. Oh. I don't want my mother to die. Give me the money.
But go inside, please. You know, but no, get along there.
Sorry, my head was banging, so I decided to sleep a little. Just get some rest.
Stop this. You're hurting yourself.
I'm fine, I'm okay.
Sorry, I came back late last night. I couldn't come here.
That's okay. Did you get the phone?
Yes. Stop this thing you are doing. You are hurting yourself. Stop. Bikon.
Do you have a charger?
You don't have to put the phone on. Osi, hide this phone. You don't need this phone. If possible, let me have the phone. You don't need this phone at all, so that it doesn't remind you of her. This is okay. What do you want to eat? Let me prepare for you.
You know what? I think you're right. I don't even have the password, so there's no point.
You see, you don't need the phone. Oh? So now tell me, what do you want to eat?
Oh no, I'm just tired. Iche insisted that we bring back her corpse from the city to the village. That there are closer mortuaries around us, so we have to bring her corpse back.
Osi, save that money for the burial. It's better. Yes, you save the money for the burial.
Janet, funerals are very costly now. I was thinking we bring her corpse first, then we can now wait and plan and see how we can raise more money for her funeral. I don't have enough money for her funeral right now. Eh?
There's no problem, but for now, rest your head. Let me prepare something for you to eat.
I'm not hungry.
But listen, any move you want to make, tell me first. Oh? I'm like your guiding angel.
Yeah, but I've been telling you now.
Anyone at all. Don't hide anything from me.
I'm not hiding anything from you. I tell you everything I'm doing.
Okay.
I just told you now what Iche said. He
Yes.
said we have to get her corpse from the city to the village because the mortuaries here are closer to us.
Okay. I'm just telling you, please.
No
If you
problem.
want to make any move. Let me go and prepare something for you to eat. Calm down, see.
Nah, did you try woman? But thank God for our game changer. I holler her, boy, she responded. And then she pay me now. She give you that money. Not for you. Are you serious? Guy, that woman is in money. She is loaded. Now why? They loaded. But a woman will go feel fake her death. Tell me what is she doing? Look, that woman is in for something. She dey plan something big. And Obama, I tell you something. I go dey bill her. Now, man, I go dey bill her on daily basis. I'm daily bazooka. Now, what for you? If she no gree, I go expose her now.
Come out this format. You no go work.
How is it possible for you to expose somebody that you don't even know? You don't know her brother, her sister. You don't even know her family. You don't even know her husband.
Nah, forget the.
I will record her. I will record her. Send it online. People will know and go see them. Then go recognize her. Not for you. It makes sense. No, not they make sense. What move? This is sense now. No, your sense don't come back now. Sure, sir. I go call this woman. Oh. Yes, now. You know, my language is not woman. And I get you. So I need to go to my own make as it be.
I'm telling you the gospel truth. Yes. A car accident. As I speak with you, she's in a mortuary. And the present problem now is we need to bring her to the village. No, she's in the mortuary in the city. But it's too far. Yes, we need to bring her to the village. There are mortuaries that are close by. So I don't have any money. That's what I'm telling you. Even 10,000 naira, I don't have. I need your help. Anything you can help me with, my brother, I'll appreciate it, please. Yes. 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 Exactly. We have to bring her. We have to bring her corpse. Yes, exactly. We have to bring her corpse. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, here is the first time. Arrest him.
Sir, it hasn't got into this now.
It hasn't got into what?
Have you been here?
No, I just came.
But sir, it hasn't got into you getting me arrested.
How do you mean? Did I not warn you? Did I not warn you? I warned you. You are quick to take job easily. Collect money. Deliver the job you will not deliver. Refund money you will not refund. What do you want me to do?
Officer, are you this mean?
I told you I love you.
You're under arrest.
Switch your contract. Sir, let me explain myself. Sir, hold on. Sir, I lost my wife. I lost my wife.
Don't worry, we explain this. Don't worry.
Sir, why are you doing this to me?
My friend, move.
Are you sure you want to do this, sir? Are you sure you want to arrest a widower? You want to arrest a widower, sir? Are you sure you want to do this?
Hi, girl. What? How? I don't understand. Why? How? Is it not even better? Listen, I'm gonna call you back. Yeah, I'll call you back. Okay.
Sugar. What was that?
My friend. She said her brother was arrested. And hold on, babe. Let me take this call.
We're running late.
Yeah. I'm right behind you, baby.
Sorry, I'll be outside.
Okay. I don't understand. What's that supposed to mean? What? You must be joking. I can hear you. Are you okay? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Okay. Please, I'll call you back. Okay? I'll call you shortly.
Manage this woman, oh. She banged the call on me, oh. Eh? Makachi.
But that one bad now. Boy.
This woman just
Guy, calm down. You know, see, this is not the workout like. You know, say you just see, no rush. Just calm down. I know say you been talking about house rent and all these things.
Which one? Say no rush. No. Because you don't collect your own.
No, be like that now.
Like this now, they are the verse. The thing now just scatter my head. See, I get so many bills to settle, guy. In fact, you see, I go make sure say I bumper this woman with message. I go make if she no pay me 50K, I go do everything possible. She go see am.
Boy, cut that guy. Your body, your blood, the hot. Take a see now small. See, you know as it take me to enter that woman. Now gradual, small, you gonna meander. No for you, no rush now.
No, like this, I be best. You dey laugh, don't laugh me.
Oh, shit. Why is this man doing this, eh? Because of 200,000 naira, a mere 200K. Listen, listen. say no more. Just send me your address. I'm coming to your village right away. Yes. Obiaruku Abi. The road that leads to Warina by Sapele. Yes, I know the place. I know the place. But just calm down, okay? I'm coming to your village right away. I dey come, man. Just calm down, I dey come. What has befallen my guy, you see? From one problem to the other. Bad enough is he has relocated back to the village and this arrest, police, station.
This thing you are doing is not nice. It's not nice at all. You are here drinking while our situation is getting bad. Why are you doing this? Is it drinking that will solve our problem?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Go back to Ako. Go back to him.
A man that does not have money in the night, is it in the morning that you have money? Allow me to drink and think of my life, think of how things will go, think of what I'm going to do. I don't know what else to do.
Go back to him. Tell him something. Talk to him. Beg him for money. See.
Ako, that you have spoiled my way. Ako, that you have spoiled my way of going to beg him money. What else will I tell him?
Tell him something, anything. Just tell him. See, I don't want my mother to die. Oh. If my mother die, I will not forgive you. I will leave you and you die lonely.
Tell your mother not to die yet. Tell your mother not to die yet. Yeah? What is all this? I don't even know why is it that anytime I ask her, I can't want to give me money. Something will come and take it. Anytime I can't want to give me money, something will come and take it. What is all this?
It's all your fault. Why did you lie to him? Yes. If you did not lie about sickness to Ako, my mother will not be sick. Look at, you just lied because of money. You lied about sickness. My mother is sick now. My mother that was healthy, my mother that was strong. Better go to Ako and tell him anything you want to tell him. I need money to save my mother. I need money. Because if my mother die, I will kill you and kill myself.
You're planning to kill me?
Yes.
You kill yourself and join your mother? Eh? See, I don't know what to do. Tell your mother to stop, continue to breathe. Let her continue to breathe because there's no money for burial if she die now. If she die now, there's no money for burial.
Man, I don't know what you're saying, Better go out there, you're a man. Talk to your fellow man. Don't lie about sickness. Don't lie. Just tell them to give you money. You need money. Stop lying. Just go out there, say something, beg money, and you're here drinking. You see this drinking, you not drink it again. Even though you're here drinking, better go outside and look for money. And stop drinking.
Give me my drink.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Give me my drink.
Leave me alone. You will not drink this. You will not drink this.
Give me my drink. You want to start war?
You will not drink.
You want to start war?
I will throw it away.
You want to start war?
You will not. Leave me alone.
You're not going to.
Go and beg for money.
I should go and beg.
Go and beg for money.
Am I a beggar?
Go and beg for
money. Am I a beggar?
Leave me alone.
Am I a beggar?
Janet, I have the transport money now. Come, let's go to the police station. Let me see what, because I don't know what's happening there now.
Each year he has been bailed. As we speak now, he's on his way back to the village.
So fast?
So fast though. His friend came to bail him. I think he also paid the money. So let's wait for him to come back.
Okay. I should wait for him to come back. Because I don't know what... Let me even know what is happening to Osi. He should go and look for the root cause of his problems. Yes, he should go and look for it.
His problems.
Is it normal? Is it normal? Well, his life will be going like this every time. Every time, every day, every trouble. I mean, one day, one trouble. Huh?
I think same way. From his painting work to his sister, from his sister to his wife. One day, one trouble. From problem to problem. From here to here. I don't even know what is happening to
the question is he cursed?
I think he's cursed.
I knew I delayed, but why did he be arrested? I pleaded to give you some more time, but he refused and got me arrested.
That man is what? If it was in the city, You wouldn't have had the opportunity to try this rubbish because of 200,000. It meant 200,000.
Aloy, now I have spent 200,000 naira I did not plan. Eh? Where am I supposed to get money from?
Do you know what's annoying me? If it was in the city, that man wouldn't have tried this rubbish. All because of a mere 200,000 naira. 200k. You know what? I can't wait for you to leave this village. Just bury your wife immediately and get out of this village.
I can't wait to lay Rita to rest. But the point is, where do I get the money from? Where? I don't have money.
Money? Okay, you know what? I'll take you to meet my friend, Amobi. Yes, he's Oga. He's a philanthropist. You like him. He borrows people's money as if there is no tomorrow. The man enjoys giving people money to do business, do all sorts of things. I'm sure he will give you the money.
Aloy, are you sure they can help you?
Yes, they can help you.
Are you sure?
Even if the man doesn't help you, he has companies. You can go there and get a job and work out the money yourself. Yes, now. See, don't think about it. Let's go first.
You don't know, I'm a shadow of myself. I'm no longer myself.
Are you sure? He will give it to you. It's not Amobi, our friend. I'm trying to talk to you. You know you are working now.
I'm going to the city with my friend. We're supposed to meet up with one of our friends that promised to assist us.
Exactly.
You are going to the city?
Yes.
You didn't tell me. We didn't discuss that.
Discuss that with you?
Yes.
Janet, listen to me. I'm not in the right frame of mind right now. Okay. Do you understand? Mama, I'm searching for money.
Okay.
And besides, I might not have all the time in the world to discuss this with you. You know what? Let's just go. Let's go. What?
Don't do this now. You should include me in your plans so that I will advise you better. Don't you know?
Oh, advise me?
Yes.
On what?
On many things.
Oh, Janet, you've been seeing me every time. Okay, advise me. How do I make money now? Advise me. Tell me where to go and get money. Please, come. Let's go.
From this problem to this problem, what are we going to do now? How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine.
You look good.
I know, right?
Oh, Nna, how are you, my son?
Baloma.
You are welcome. Hey, Nna. Hello, Rita.
Please, just a second, okay? I'll be back.
Okay. So you are the Odogu that has been spending money on me without knowing me.
Mama, Omo abu akumata no rumba.
No rumba. You're welcome, my son. Oh,
nice to meet you.
Mwamo. Thank you for coming into the life of my daughter. Please, come and sit down. Let's go and sit down.
Okay, let's go.
Put me in trouble. Hello? Can you hear me? Rita, there is a problem. A very big problem is between Sobudi Rita. Rita, as I'm talking to you now, OC is on his way to the city. Yes! How am I supposed to know? He didn't tell me anything. He only said he's going to the city to take a loan from someone for the burial. Yes! He didn't tell me anything. Hey, Chineke, we were all together yesterday when he came in with the guy. Ichi is not even aware of all this. Rita, I told you. I told you. Don't implicate me, please. You're at your mother's place. You have to be fast and leave that place in case so.
He's crying like a baby, as in, the matter is so pressing. He needs this money. Yes. Okay. Okay, we should wait for you. You are coming. Oh, okay, fine, we'll wait. Thank you. What did he say? He said we should wait for him. He took his Oga to his new wife's house. That they'll be back in the evening.
He said we should wait for him?
Yes, now, which one is that? He said we should wait for him. You don't want to wait, you get choice. Eh? We should wait for him now. You're sounding as if the money is your money. Listen, we'll wait for him. If it's where you will crash, there's no problem. You can sleep at my place, eh? But before you stay in my house, let's go to one restaurant. If a bottle or two, let's just use it to step down while we wait for him to come back.
Aloy, it's okay. I don't have a problem. Okay. I can wait.
All right, good.
Okay. I suggest we use this opportunity to see my wife at the mortuary.
Mortuary? No, which one is mortuary?
Aloy, what is wrong with you now? That's my wife. Why are you being disrespectful to the dead? That's my wife. Besides, I need to see the mortician to ensure that he's been taking care of my wife.
I feel your pain, no? I'm sorry for disrespecting her. So sorry.
Can we go?
Yes.
Let's go.
Which way?
Let's go.
Okay.
Mama, there will be no need for that. We'll be taking our leave.
Yes, Mama. We'll be leaving soon. But first, I need you to relax. He has something to discuss with you, so just relax.
Okay. I'm listening.
Mama, I came to let you know that I want to marry your daughter. After the marriage, I will take her abroad to further her master's degree, as I promised.
I'm happy to hear this. Hey, I don't need anybody to tell me that you're a blessing to me and my daughter. In fact, we've suffered so much. Welcome.
It's nothing, Mama. It's nothing. She can tell you what I do for outsiders. Talk more of the apple of my eyes. The woman I love so much. The woman I can do anything for. I suggest you update your kingsmen. We would have waited for them to come, but we don't have much time.
Forget. Whatever you want, I will do it for you. Eh?
Mama, like I said, come over yourself.
Let's wait here for the mortician to come out.
Let me knock on the door.
No, don't go and knock on the door now. Why are you acting as if you have one bedroom flat here? Eh? Calm down, listen. Okay, you know what? Just call him on the phone. Just call him.
I don't have his number.
You don't have his number?
Wait, let me call Janet. Let me call them. Janet would probably just call him. I'm sure Janet has his number.
Man, this mortuary look different too. From the ones I've visited. This one looks so scanty. There's nobody coming around here, is it?
She's not picking up.
Listen, mortuary people used to come there to deposit corpse. This one looks so scanty. There is nobody here.
How am I supposed to know? Do I visit mortuaries? I have no business here now. Let's go.
There's always the first time, eh? There's always the first time.
Hello, C. How are you? Eh? The mortuary man? No, I'm not with his number. I don't have his number. Hey, but OC, why will you go there without me? Eh? Who is going to hold you if you start crying? Hey, OC, that place is very dangerous. OC, if that man is not there, better run out from that place so the cops there will hurt you. Okay. Leave that place now. Let me look for the man's number. Eh? Be fast, so run out from that place. It's not good for you. Okay. Oh. I told Rita this thing. I told this girl. Let's end this thing. Eh? How are we going to end this game without going to jail for fraud? What is all this? Eh? TM na wayalia. Can we make you pick your call? Pick your call, oh. Eh? Hello? Hello, Rita, are you hearing me? Hello? You're on your way back. Okay. Start going there now. I want to call those guys. Start going there now. OC went to the mortuary and is requesting for the man's number. Yes! Hey. Rita, be fast. Start going to that place right now. Start going there. Okay, alright. Okay. Hey. Okay.
Why are you doing this? Okay. Let me see your why Oga is not around. You're not working. My Oga will compound.
Oga is not around. He's not around. Leave this place, Oga.
What is wrong with you? Oga is not around. Don't you know me? I'm your Oga's friend.
Oga, I don't know you. I don't know you.
Let me go ahead. I want something better. I want to see your Oga Akomata.
This one is not straightforward to me. He's not straightforward.
He's not around. He went out with his woman.
In Anuya now. He is not around. So Oga, turn back and leave.
See, I don't like the way you're talking. I don't like the way you're talking. Okay, we compound. Because you're getting married here with a black cap.
My Oga is not around now.
Oga, be going.
Let me talk to someone like don't you people know me? I'm your Oga's friend. Can't I stay here and wait for him to come back?
Oga, you cannot wait for him.
You cannot wait. Okay, leave this place now. Leave this place. See. I follow my job.
I cannot lose my job because of you.
Nonsense. Okay, say back. Is it not his car? Is it not his car? Go and hustle like my Oga. Go and make money.
Better with choice.
Better
with choice.
Peggy.
Don't get told.
What is it your money? Is the money for you?
It's my money, but
Allow me.
That's my consign. That's what I consign. I am in charge of this gate. I will know who will enter and who will not enter. Who enter there? This is what I'm going to call my cap before, Don't forget about.
Oh boy, 6 plots of land altogether. 72 million or more. Now listen, the guy came in there, the next thing he had that was that someone had already paid for the land.
The kind of money where they call here.
Now come the wonder. So how you go buy land? You know, secure. Now what's in brother tell me how they tell you anyway. So those guys now would say they come in and rugged the thing now. Me and they try to bring into the business. Man, I know where they go feel
more this thing
because they need boys.
You know the business.
Me, I did partially into the number for you. You know, say I do.
So they call 72 million like say na just chicken change. The thing they touch my brain. No, they no go make me. May I go run 1 or 2 again? I swear to God, because like this now, my head they burst. My head, you see that lady, that woman, I swear she get luck. She get luck. Say she answer my call. That woman get luck. Say she send her money. Else, she would have seen the other side of me. I swear.
Don't mind her. You know, say, na so women they be but boy, women are very bad. Women are bad. If they see the stuff where this woman they do. How she take the imagine her? Omo. Guy. She they pull her and they walk, but we go to call her Bina. I ain't gonna call. Now one day, they put on
This woman is in cash. That woman get mind. She gallant.
If can't waste time when you got now, bless it. Hey, hello babe, Alpha. Yeah, there. What is up? Hey, me and my guy, we're there somewhere now as well. I talk to you now. Me and my guy just there somewhere. Just they take some bottles, so they shack up. Now, right now, as you are talking to me. Okay, no, see, we fall in there. We're going there right straight away. As we live here right away, we're going there. No. I said they go there right now. Sharp, no time. So what? Alpha, they hear me? Alpha now. He say talk now. He say mama husband. There for the mortuary as we talk like this. Hey, they say man they there. Like this. Oba, these people make a waka. Now I call that our keke make come with us.
Call which keke guy? My mom just matter. Find keke outside. You know this?
No, I pay the
place is dangerous. Guy, wait sir.
Baby.
Yeah.
I'm Obi. I think I need the car key. I have to rush now, okay?
Okay, let me drive you now. Yeah.
No, please. I want to be fast about it. I'll drive myself.
It's okay. Give her the key.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Be careful, okay?
Yeah, baby.
Ugochi.
I am sure that Akwunwata is in that house. He doesn't want to see me, it's obvious. I'm sure of that. But Nadiba.
Wow. But did you see his car?
Don't you know that Amobi used to go out with his car sometimes? But I saw the other car. Shows that he's in the house. He was around. But his gate man and the girl that used to cook for him don't want me to enter. Is that an insult to my personality? You see why I don't like to beg anybody for money? I don't like begging people for money. I work for my money. I eat my money alone. I don't like all this nonsense.
How are you so sure? Did you call him before coming?
I called him. He did not pick. Shows that he knows that I was there. But he doesn't want to answer me because he doesn't want to give me money. Who does that? You see why I don't beg for money? I don't like to ask people for money because I can work for my money.
It's simple. Then go out there and work for your money. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are here begging your fellow man to give you money. You are even here speaking English on top another man money. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why not go there, work, do something with yourself, make money? See, let me warn you. I will not forgive you. If anything happens to my mother, I will not forgive you. Yes! Better go out there and make money like your fellow men. Go and make money.
Are you not the one that sending me to go and beg this money? Are you not the one that sending me go and beg money? Other women are busy supporting their husband to make money. You are busy supporting me to go and beg. Are you not ashamed of yourself for supporting your husband to go and beg for money?
No, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Are you not a man? Don't you have hand? Don't you have muscle? All your mates are working. Didn't he work for his money? You are here begging him for his own money. See, let me tell you, for this thing you just said, you are a fool. You are a fool. You don't have sense. I thought you have sense, but you don't have sense. You are a fool.
I don't have sense?
Yes.
Because I'm going to beg money to go and treat your mother. See, if your mother, don't let me tell your mother to die, yo. Don't let me to tell your mother to die, yo. If she want to die, she let her die. If she want to live, let her live. After I'm not her husband, I'm not her son.
You see why I say
You are your mother's daughter. Go and treat your mother as you sell her.
You see why I say you're a fool? You are telling me that my mother should die. Eh? You're a big fool. You can't go out there and make money. Oh. Go and make money. You have hand, you have leg.
Me a fool.
Yes.
Your husband a fool.
Yes.
Me a fool.
Yes, you're a fool.
Me a fool.
Go and make money.
Me a fool. Are you a seller?
Did you just slap? Did you just slap me? Eh? You give me.
You are fighting me.
You give
You are fighting
me.
me.
You give me. Somebody help me up! Somebody help me up!
Let me beat her. Let me beat her. Come on, Nara. Let me slap her. Huh? Allow me to teach her a lesson. Can you imagine nonsense here?
It's okay.
You want to fight? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I'll beat her. Huh?
Did you just slap me? Did you just slap me? Eh?
I'll slap you again. Come. You see this lady?
You slapped me.
Allow me to teach you a lesson.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Allow me to teach you a lesson.
Leave me alone.
You want to fight me?
Leave me alone.
You want to fight me?
Leave me alone now. Calm down.
You want to fight me?
Okay, now you slap me. You
slap me. Leave her alone.
Somebody help me.
Nonsense. Let me kill her. Are you mad? Look at this silly mother. I will slap you silly. Eh? I will slap you silly. I'll slap you again. I will slap you. Now look at this lazy wife. Lazy wife that is challenging me. They are challenging me. I will slap you silly.
You're calling me lazy. No. You're a beggar. Eh? You're a beggar, begging. Always begging. Yes, you're a beggar.
Come on, okay now. Come on, girl.
Did you just slap me again? I slap you. Okay, wait and see. I'm coming for you. She pushed me. No, what for you?
Did you see that she pushed me?
Why will you be beating me?
She pushed me. She must leave my house today.
Why will you be beating me?
You see today? She must leave my house.
Just like that?
Yes.
Is that why you're beating me?
She must leave my house. Let her go and pack and go. Pack and go. You see this lady? She will pack. Ah!
Ugochi.
Sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. Call the gate man.
Okay, sir.
Welcome. Sit. You sit down.
Sit there. No, sit on the floor. Good.
Now you listen to me. Something is coming up. So each and every one of you, we have to go to your various houses for the meantime. Please do not disclose whatever information I give to you here to someone who is not here with us. Keep it between us. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, I didn't see him. I didn't see the guy. Guy, I don't check the whole compound. I didn't see this guy. I didn't walk to the junction. That's roadside. He's not there.
Now disappear.
Let's take on the play.
What you doing in this? Where will you have gone to?
Maybe you should call your friend now so that we can know his whereabouts and know what to do now. Abi?
I think it's better now. Abi, call him.
Please, sir. Please, I just need your help. Anything you can help me with, God will bless you. Please.
Yeah, my friend. It's like you don't need this money.
No, I need it too.
Are you sure you need this money? Why not call him Akolawata One No Rumba? A very big guy. It's money go. Money na water. You don't need money.
Akolawata One No Rumba. Please.
Money na water.
Call him. Money na water. But please help me. The truth is, I need to carry my wife from the mortuary and bring her back to the village. Please, I need your help. He told me you can help me and I'm here on my knees begging, please. I need your help. Anything you can offer me, anything, I don't know, anything you can give me, I'll appreciate it, sir.
You see, this is the reason I urge young men to work hard. And not just working hard, but to work smart. So that you can make money to solve your family problems.
Sir, I'm a hard-working man. I lost my job recently. I used to work as a business development manager in one of these paint producing companies. But they fired me, and since that time, my life I've been a shadow of myself. I just lost my wife. My young wife, we loved each other so much and she just passed away. And I can't even raise money to bring her corpse from the mortuary. Please, I need your help. Biko, Akunawata, Biko, help me. Please.
Take your seat, sit.
Sir?
Sit.
Okay, thank you.
I am going to do something about it.
Okay. Thank you
very much.
very
I don't like when young men are going through such a mess. If we look at us, you'll know that definitely we are in the same age range. So I don't like you kneeling down, worshiping me as if I am your God.
I'm just pleading.
You said you have a handwork.
Yes, I used to work in a paint company.
Oh, you're a painter?
Yeah, I used to be their business development manager, yes.
Oh, Amobi. Oh, get us something.
Okay. Sir, I used to work with a company that produces paint. Before something went bad and I was asked to leave. And the moment that happened, every other thing started going bad for me.
Janet, please. Keep calling him to know where he is. Okay? We'll come back tomorrow. Just keep calling him, please. Okay, guys. She said he has gone to collect loan from someone. So what we have to do is we have to go and come back in the morning.
Okay. So, tomorrow is another morning. I mean our allowances.
Yes.
Yeah, no.
I don't understand. What allowance are you talking about?
No.
Guys, please, you guys need to calm down. Did you not call me the other day demanding for money? And you called me today again demanding for money? I don't understand. What is going on?
But
are you guys trying to blackmail me or something?
so are you telling us that if we're in need of money now, you won't give us? Huh?
Calm down.
I don't understand now. Na business, so.
I beg, you need to calm down. How much is even the money? Who tells you I don't go fit afford them? What's happen now? When they calm down, what's happen?
They said it
now. Pay now, pay. Or do transfer for us, I'm not going to go now.
Just do the transfer. So we can live here.
This is a business.
It's okay. I will. But then, you all have to stay here till 6 p.m. just in case he comes back again. I will pay your money. Boniface, In case he comes back, don't allow him come inside if I am not around. Just tell him you're trying to, do some chemical touches and all that.
See, you don't have to worry about that one. Just leave that one for me. Now my job is that's my job. I know exactly what to do. Don't need to worry about that. But please, you just heard what they said. Biko, before you leave, try arrange us now.
Money,
something.
Now calm down. Never see where it goes today. Demand for money like this. Wait here now. I beg you.
Guys, calm down. Hey.
I did transfer the money. I beg.
As we talk, just do
Baba, guys, sorry. But you said that you get all the
Why will he slap his wife? Didn't you see him slap me? Did you tell him anything?
Even at that.
He was here beating me, did not say anything, and you are telling me that I have hot temper.
You shouldn't have hit him. Assuming he died, what will happen?
What if I died when he slapped me? What if I died when he slapped me? Didn't you see him slap me? Me, his wife. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, sorry.
If you like, fence there, die, roll your head, I don't care. He goats. You have the guts to lay your hands on me, your filthy hands on me. Rubbish.
Oh, wow.
Please, don't talk to me. Oh. Don't talk to me because you saw him beating me.
We shall see. We shall see.
We shall see nothing. I don't care whatever you want to do. Fool, he goes. Beggy. I don't care. Shall you see him? You not talk to him. Look at what he's telling me. You are here, a man is beating me. You are telling me that I have hot temper.
Be calming down.
I'll calm down where? I shall allow you to kill me. Okay, no problem. Let me watch him and see what he will do.
Today, you will go back to that your dying mother. You go and stay with her. If you like, both of you to die.
It is your mother that will die. Fool, he go, begging. It is your mother that will die. It is your mother that will die. Neighbor, you are seeing him. Look at my cloth. Neighbor, you are seeing him. Look at what he's doing.
You are leaving my house to die. Nobody can take me. Never. She must leave.
Obina, are you not ashamed of yourself? So because I asked you to go and make money, you are here behaving like a child, throwing my things away.
You must go.
Let me shock you. I will go. Who wants to marry you? A low life like you. Who wants to marry you? I'm tired of this marriage. I will go. Rubbish. Beggar.
You will regret it now.
He goes.
You must go. Go and get keke for her. Go and get keke for her. Let her leave my house.
Neighbor, pack my
this nonsense.
I will go.
Get out.
I will go. Neighbor, I will not regret anything. You see this man that I'm managing to marry?
Oh, you're managing me.
I'm managing him. A low life like him.
She's managing me.
Because I told you to go and make money like you really. I will go. Stupid man.
Let your clothes not enter my house.
You go.
Let your clothes not enter my house.
I will go. You
must go.
I will go. See who I'm managing. I will go. Stupid man. Idiot. Woo! Beggar. I will go. I will go. Yes, I will go.
Get out.
I will
Get
go.
keke.
I will go.
Get keke for her.
I will go. Stupid man. Here you go. Beggar. You not ashamed of yourself. Look at your house. Stupid hand. I will go. Say you are seeing. I will go. I will go. Who wants to manage it alone? I will go. I'm going. Say you see him. He said I should leave.
Bossy, I'll see what I can do.
Yeah?
Yes. So you can go ahead with your wife's burial arrangement.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
so much.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank
Stand. And you said you are a painter.
Yes. I used to work with a paint producing company. I used to be their business development manager before I got.
But do you paint?
I also paint. I'm a very good painter, sir.
Yes, he's a very good painter, sir.
I have 2 ongoing building projects. Yes. So I am considering giving you the contract. that will be after your wife's burial, so that you can concentrate.
Akwata, thank you, sir. Akwata. Akwata. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You see, I am not in this position by mistake. I work so hard to be here. Do you understand? So I like when young men have that zeal to work their way to the top. Do you understand? Like I always tell people, we all have been praying to God, but we have never seen God. Do you know why? Because man is God to man. So, go on with your wife's burial arrangement. After the funeral, I'll give you the contract.
Akwata, only you the runner. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I told you. Thank you very much. Akwata, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Akwata, thank you.
Man cannot guy a gayo. Let me call my girls. Woo. Let me call my girls. Hello babes. How far now? We on a day. That man thinks he's wise. I have succeeded to collect all the money. Yes. Of course now. You don't trust me. Eh? Over this town will day again. Let me see who he will use and lie again. He rather use me and lie and say that I'm sick just to get money. Let me see who he will use. Yes, I've left him. Of course, I'm coming to meet you guys. Okay, where are you guys? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll come and meet you guys. Then as for the man, the mug that is giving him the money, I will go to his house and spoil his name. Let me see how he will get money without me. You don't trust me again. I will go and meet the man, tell him that he's lying, he's this, I will spoil his name. That man can never give him money again. Don't worry now. When we see, I'll tell you more. Okay? Alright, I'm coming to... Oh, Alaji. Alaji is around? No problem. I'm coming. We'll paint this town red, blue, black. I'm coming, okay? Alright. Let me just get a taxi. I'm coming to meet you guys. Alright. Bye. See you soon. Woo! A guy man cannot guy a guy. You think you are wise. You want to use me to lie and get money. Rubbish.
So tell me, how long have you been married?
I've been married for nearly 2 years, less than 2 years. Yes.
How did she die?
So it's a long story. I was informed that she was...
You're welcome. What is it? What is it? Wait, come. What is it? What is it? What's this problem?
My wife is good.
Get water! Who's it?
Somebody should pour him water.
Get water!
Listen, I am certain you are hallucinating. I know what you're going through. Take it easy, okay? I can tell when someone is being traumatized. Do you understand? I know you just lost your wife. And maybe you are hallucinating. You need to man up. Be a man, okay?
My dead wife is in this house. My dead wife is in this house. My wife is in this house.
My wife just stepped in. My wife just... Listen, this is Rose, my wife, not your wife, Rita.
I wonder.
Calm down. Osibutu, calm down. Osi, calm down. Osi, please sit down. Just calm down. Sit down. Lord, what's wrong with your friend?
I don't understand you.
I'm as shocked as you are. Osi, remember why I came. Calm down.
Young man, is your friend on drugs?
One of those is bad days, okay? We'll be back. I promise you that.
Allah, what's wrong with your friend?
Maramu, just I'll be back. Don't worry. I'll be back. Osi!
I thought I've seen it all. What I witnessed here today? Oh my God. That young man is hallucinating. Yes.
Grandma, don't sleep here. What is
I saw my wife yesterday.
It's not possible that you saw your wife yesterday.
I said I saw Rita yesterday. If the mortician opens this door and I see Rita lying on the floor, then I'll believe she's a twin.
I think she's a twin. She is. I think.
That's what I've been telling you.
Just calm down. Please, help me and calm him down, please.
Just calm down, okay?
Oh?
Just calm down, everything will be fine.
Oga, come in now, see your wife.